about the day everything went wrong. My morning started super bad, and I was really upset. So I flopped onto the couch with a big, grumpy sigh. Then I saw it, a glittering widget on the floor. I wanted to play with it. Was it really a toy? It was covered in sparkles with shiny buttons that shimmered and twinkled like real magic inside. I just had to try it. Sparkles whispered, "It's more than a toy." So I pressed a button, and whoosh, a feeling popped out. Every button brought a different one. Giggles, excitement, grumbles. Oh my gosh, it was total chaos at first. Feelings everywhere. But then, I learned something amazing. I learned how to understand my feelings and guide them, instead of letting them run wild. Want to see what happened? Read Willa in the Magic Widget. It's full of magic,